When we look up at the night sky, the planet Jupiter may appear as nothing more than a faint point of light, just one part of countless other distant celestial objects in the universe. In reality, what lies within this giant gas planet goes far beyond our imagination, challenging every assumption about the limits of existence. Discovered in the 17th century, the Great Red Spot could engulf our entire planet, and its winds can reach speeds from 270 to 425 miles per hour. 3 times stronger than the most powerful tornadoes on Earth. So, how can we possibly understand this enigma? The truth is, when James Webb allows us to see the clearest images of this planet, we not only witness the grandeur of Jupiter, but also must ask ourselves whether we are standing before a new frontier of understanding. When we turn our gaze toward Jupiter, what we see is not just a massive planet floating in space, but a living, eternal entity flowing through the currents of the universe. But recently, as the James Webb Telescope has opened a gateway into the cosmos with images never before seen, we are faced with a perplexing question. Is this storm truly eternal? Is it shrinking, or could it one day vanish, making way for a change we cannot yet comprehend? In a world full of surprises, the shrinking of the Great Red Spot from 24 miles down to just 10 miles is nothing short of astonishing. Before us, this storm is not just a massive atmospheric mass. It seems to take on a life of its own, a being that is constantly changing, evolving. The storm no longer appears to be a fixed phenomenon. It is shifting, contracting, and expanding unexpectedly, almost as if it is breathing. These changes are not simply about size. They are part of a living, dynamic process that forces us to ask, could Jupiter's atmosphere be responding to some unseen force? Possibly driven from deep within the planet itself, from energy flows invisible to our eyes? As we witness the storm bloom and shrink, we are not just observing an atmospheric fluctuation, but a reflection of something greater, a self-regulating mechanism that the universe has bestowed upon Jupiter. It's not simply the turbulence of a storm, but the manifestation of living energy. A complex interaction between gravity, temperature, and physical forces. This doesn't just reflect the vibrancy of the storm. It raises a larger question about the dynamism of Jupiter's atmosphere. Could the Great Red Spot, with all its majesty and power, be reshaping the very structure of the planet's atmosphere? Could invisible air currents, unseen flows, be creating a vortex of life, a constant cycle of change, like a living organism breathing in the cosmic space? With the sharp, detailed images from the James Webb Telescope, We are no longer just bystanders to these motions. We have stepped into a dialogue with Jupiter, a conversation through which the universe begins to reveal its deepest secrets. Jupiter is no longer a distant planet, it is a unified entity. A great living being that breathes, lives, and changes endlessly. And we, the observers, are right in the middle of this process in a universe full of surprises. Still far from fully explored. The light from the James Webb Space Telescope pierces the darkness of space. The images it returns are not just sharp photographs of distant planets. They are windows into the deepest secrets of the universe. One of the most stunning discoveries is the breathtaking auroras on Jupiter. We are all familiar with the auroras on Earth. Those mesmerizing light shows we see when solar particles collide with our planet's atmosphere. But the auroras on Jupiter are so different they leave us awestruck. Thanks to the infrared data James Webb captured, we can see not just the vibrant bands of light, but also the intense, dynamic activity where cosmic energy radiates outward, forming brilliant arcs around the planet's poles. We don't just see the light, we feel the power and liveliness of Jupiter. But what makes these images even more remarkable is the discovery of small rings of matter surrounding Jupiter. These rings are not quiet, still halos like those of Saturn. Instead, the matter in Jupiter's rings appears to be in constant motion, shifting and evolving. It reflects a living energy within the planet itself. This kind of dynamism is not something every planet can create. The material in these rings seems to be governed by invisible forces we can't yet fully understand. Could these rings be the result of interactions between Jupiter's moons? Or are they echoes of grand astronomical events from Jupiter's past, part of a cosmic structure we still cannot fully comprehend? Alongside these vibrant images, Webb also revealed a surprising change in Jupiter's atmospheric structure. Famous for its eternal storms and grandiose atmospheric currents, Jupiter now shows signs of constant transformation. The enhanced images from James Webb show an atmosphere that is no longer a static, unchanging wall of gas. Instead, it seems to be shifting, undulating with relentless streams of air. The images show powerful wind currents altering the structure of the atmosphere, creating regions with distinctly different temperatures and unusual formations that have never been seen before. This is a stark reminder that, even in the boundless expanse of space, change is inevitable. But do these changes signal something greater? Perhaps a transformation of the planet itself? Or are they merely transient movements in an atmosphere that has existed for millions of years? This discovery not only alters the way we view Jupiter, but also raises fundamental questions about the nature of gas giants. Jupiter is not a static body. It is a living, evolving entity, governed by immense cosmic forces that control everything inside it. Huge cosmic forces are at work, controlling everything within this planet. Can we truly understand these complex mechanisms, or will they forever remain beyond our reach? We must also recognize the invaluable contribution of citizen scientist Judy Schmidt, who used data from James Webb to enhance the images of Jupiter. The images she provided have opened up a clearer, sharper view of this planet. Under her skilled hands, the photos are not mere representations. They are vivid pictures that take us deeper into the atmospheric movements and mysteries that were previously only speculation. These images are not just the product of science, they are a fusion of relentless curiosity and human creativity. Schmidt, along with other scientists, is not simply observing the universe. They are taking us on a journey of discovery, where we face secrets we never even dreamed of uncovering. From these images, one resounding question still lingers. Do we truly understand everything that James Webb is showing us? The images brought back by this telescope not only clarify Jupiter, but also illuminate the path humanity will have to take in the future. A future where discoveries are never-ending, ushering in a new era of understanding and exploration of the universe. Will these mysteries only terrify us? Or will they ignite a never-ending flame of curiosity within us, pushing us to explore and transcend the limits of our knowledge? When the James Webb Space Telescope delivers its breathtaking images of Jupiter, we are not simply observing a distant planet. We are witnessing a world that challenges the very limits of human understanding. Jupiter is not just any planet in the solar system. It is a symbol of the grandeur and harshness of the cosmos. One of the most astonishing discoveries involves the role of gravitational waves in shaping Jupiter's atmosphere. Gravitational waves, those ripples in space and time caused by changes in the fabric of the universe, are a mysterious phenomenon. But do we truly understand their power? The presence of gravitational waves not only affects celestial bodies across the universe, but it also shapes the atmospheric structure of giant planets like Jupiter. These waves, originating from the deep layers of Jupiter's atmosphere, create dramatic and harsh movements, causing the planet's atmosphere to become chaotic and constantly changing. As these gravitational waves interact with Jupiter's atmosphere, they do more than just create strong air currents. They distort the very structure of the atmosphere in ways we have yet to fully imagine. Each gravitational wave acts like an invisible force, pulling the atmosphere of Jupiter into constant flux. All of this happens in silence, in the depths of space, and we can only interpret it through images and data provided by instruments like James Webb. A significant question arises. With our limited capabilities, can we truly comprehend the full complexity of the natural mechanisms unfolding there? Or are we merely scratching the surface of colossal, mysterious phenomena? Comparing these phenomena with Earth's atmospheric processes, the differences between the two planets become strikingly clear. Earth, with its fragile atmosphere, is a place where atmospheric phenomena like storms, winds, and tornadoes operate under familiar principles that we can understand and predict. In contrast, Jupiter's atmosphere is an entirely different world. It is not a simple system, but a complex amalgamation of air currents, gravitational waves, and energy flows constantly interacting with one another. These conditions create continuous changes, powerful movements that we cannot find on Earth. Can we truly believe that while we deal with familiar atmospheric phenomena, the vast universe beyond is still operating according to rules we have yet to fully discover? The latest images from James Webb have illuminated a strange phenomenon in Jupiter's atmosphere. A massive white cloud band moving at speeds up to 320 mph. This is not a typical atmospheric event. It is an enormous band of clouds, swiftly moving across Jupiter's surface with power comparable to the most intense storms on Earth. But what makes us question this even more is the possibility that these clouds might be a manifestation of the vitality within Jupiter's very atmosphere. Could we see Jupiter as a living planet where every motion, every change is driven by deep forces tied to celestial influences, gravitational waves, and invisible shifts in energy? The speed of this cloud band is not only impressive in physical terms, but also serves as a stark reminder of the grandeur of the universe. This image reveals that Jupiter's atmosphere is not a silent void, but a dynamic world filled with energy, turbulence, and complexity beyond our comprehension. When we stand before these images, can we realize that it is the dynamic, ever-changing nature of the universe itself that drives the evolution of all celestial bodies, including our own planet? Imagine a planet where gravitational waves and the relentless shifting of its atmosphere are constantly at play, creating a magnificent and awe-inspiring spectacle. And we, tiny humans on Earth, truly feel the connection between us and these cosmic phenomena? Jupiter, with its atmosphere filled with powerful cloud bands and invisible gravitational waves, is teaching us that the universe is not a place of stillness, but a living, breathing entity that is ever-changing and expanding. Perhaps it is these very changes, whether in Jupiter's atmosphere or in our own minds, that create the connection between humankind and the vast, infinite cosmos. In the vastness of the universe, each planet carries its own unique story, but none tell a tale as mysterious and complex as that of Jupiter. This colossal planet doesn't just host a legendary storm, but harbors countless secrets about its moons, with Ganymede, Jupiter's largest moon, standing out as a particularly captivating enigma. Known as the giant ice ball, Ganymede is not just a noteworthy astronomical object due to its size, but also because of the astonishing discoveries that telescopes, particularly the James Webb Space Telescope, have brought to light. Ganymede, a moon larger in diameter than our tiny planet Mercury, plays an incredibly important role in understanding extraterrestrial space. It is not merely a massive satellite of Jupiter, but may be the key to unraveling questions about the formation and conditions necessary for life in the universe. Ganymede has long been known as an icy sphere, but the images captured by the James Webb Space Telescope have opened up a new world, forcing us to reconsider what might be hidden beneath its thick layers of ice. One of the most remarkable discoveries from Webb is evidence of a massive impact from a giant asteroid on Ganymede. New images show the moon's surface pocked with scars from these collisions, and one of these impacts may have altered Ganymede's rotation. Imagine this: a massive asteroid, far larger than anything we see on Earth, could have completely changed the orbit and operation of a moon. The question arises, what truly happened when Ganymede was danced with by such a colossal cosmic impact? Could this collision be part of a bigger story about life in the universe, a pivotal event that helped create the conditions for life to exist? In addition to these signs of cosmic collisions, the images also reveal an even more surprising discovery: water vapor in the thin atmosphere of Ganymede. Although the moon's surface is frozen at a frigid 300 degrees FF, Webb's data suggests that water might exist in vapor form in its atmosphere. Imagine this: despite its icy surface, Ganymede may carry signs of an ocean, a deep sea hidden beneath its thick, icy crust. Could there be life beneath this ice? Could this hidden ocean provide a habitat for creatures we've never even imagined? It's a profound question that only time and further research will answer. With these discoveries, Ganymede is no longer simply an icy moon. It has become a symbol of the endless possibilities that the universe may offer. in the world we've only just begun to explore. Ganymede serves as a reminder that life, even in places thought to be inhospitable, can still find a way. As James Webb continues to send back these awe-inspiring images, we are not merely witnessing a moon, we are witnessing a cosmic journey, one that not only brings us closer to distant celestial bodies, but also opens new doors, filled with surprises and wonder about the possibilities of life in the universe. As we look at these images, we are not just discovering a moon, we are discovering ourselves in relation to the vast, mysterious universe. The ultimate question is, can humanity find a place beyond Earth, like Ganymede, to develop and explore life, or will we forever be wanderers, seeking in the shadows of the infinite expanse of space? Amid the vastness and mystery of the universe, each planet holds stories that humanity is only beginning to unravel. Jupiter, with its colossal size and unique moon system, especially Io, its volcanic moon, opens a world that the recent images from the James Webb Space Telescope have helped us understand better than ever. Io is not just a simple moon orbiting Jupiter, it is a world of relentless motion, where volcanic activity ceaselessly erupts, and every eruption seems to sing a hymn to the untamable power of nature. Io, with its continuously erupting volcanoes, is one of the most geologically active places in our solar system. This is not just a spectacular sight, but a test of the vibrancy of planets and moons in space. This activity comes from a complex and harsh process, the gravitational pull of Jupiter, a powerful force that incessantly torments Io, causing this moon to be constantly compressed and stretched. This immense tidal force creates colossal volcanic eruptions, shooting gas and lava into space. The images from Webb show towering lava plumes reaching hundreds of miles into the void, like eternal pillars of fire illuminating the darkness of space. Io stands as proof of the unyielding strength of cosmic forces, a place where change is constant, pushing the moon into a lifelike motion that is almost unimaginable. What's fascinating is that the impact of Io goes beyond its volcanic eruptions. It also exerts a profound influence on Jupiter and its atmosphere. As Io orbits Jupiter, the ionized gas from its eruptions interacts with Jupiter's magnetic field, creating stunning and powerful auroras. This is a prime example of the interaction between matter and the unseen forces of the cosmos. Jupiter's auroras, vibrant and dynamic, are not just a product of solar interactions. They are also a signature of the power exerted by Io. The ionized gases and electrons from Io, along with Jupiter's immense magnetic field, form a tight bond, an ongoing cosmic conversation between these celestial bodies that forces us to consider how these invisible forces continuously shape and change the space around them. But this goes beyond mere observation. The discoveries from the James Webb Telescope also reveal that the powerful currents generated by Io not only affect the auroras, but also deeply impact the atmosphere of Jupiter itself. This connection serves as proof of the intricate relationship between celestial bodies in the universe, where even the smallest change in a moon or planet can trigger a chain reaction that affects the entire system. The strong electrical currents from Io are not just physical phenomena, they are like small waves crashing onto Jupiter's surface, pulling the planet's atmospheric structure into new configurations. You might imagine that each interaction between Io and Jupiter is a cosmic dance where magnetic and electric forces intertwine, creating unpredictable motions in Jupiter's atmosphere. These effects are not merely the result of simple physical movement. They carry a deeper message about how cosmic elements, no matter how small, can alter the appearance and future of larger celestial bodies. But in the images from James Webb, we are not just witnessing a moon, an eruption, or a light column in Jupiter's sky. We are witnessing a piece of the cosmic story, a dialogue between celestial bodies in an immensely vast space, where every action sparks unexpected and far-reaching reactions. With the vivid images from the James Webb Space Telescope, we see not only the strength and wonder of Io more clearly, but also come to realize a profound truth about the universe that we have never fully imagined. In an immense space, every change, no matter how small, can ripple out and create profound effects, not just on surrounding celestial bodies, but on how we understand our own existence in a vast and ever-changing world. The powerful electrical currents from Io are not just expressions of cosmic energy. They serve as reminders that, in our journey through the universe, we are never alone. We are always connected to invisible, powerful forces that we have yet to fully comprehend. In the vastness of the universe, each planet carries its own deep secrets, and Jupiter, with its immense mass, is no exception. Recent images from the James Webb Space Telescope have not only revealed awe-inspiring views of the planet's surface, but have also uncovered mysteries hidden deep within Jupiter's core. The core of this gas giant is not a solid rocky mass, as we once imagined, but is primarily composed of metallic hydrogen. This is a concept that challenges our understanding of both matter and existence in the universe. Jupiter's metallic liquid core is an entity unlike anything we know. The transformation of hydrogen into metal under extreme pressure and temperature is a phenomenon that can only occur in such extreme conditions. When hydrogen gas is compressed under Jupiter's enormous gravitational force, it turns into a dense liquid that conducts electricity like a metal. This not only challenges our basic understanding of physics, but also raises questions about how this planet maintains stability and functions. But if Jupiter's core is not a solid rock, but rather a metallic ocean, what does this mean for the formation and existence of life in the universe? Could it be the key to explaining Jupiter's immense power, from its colossal magnetic field to wondrous phenomena like the magnificent auroras? Jupiter's massive size not only affects the planet itself, but also has far-reaching effects on other planets in the solar system. With a mass 318 times that of Earth, Jupiter serves as a colossal satellite, influencing the orbits of planets and other objects within the solar system. Jupiter's so-called shield has helped protect Earth from asteroids and comets, potentially playing a vital role in safeguarding life on our planet. But do we fully understand Jupiter's influence? As this planet moves through space, it is possible that its very oscillations have altered the trajectories of cosmic objects, changing the dynamics of the entire solar system. One of the latest and most impressive discoveries is the Great Blue Spot, an unusual area within Jupiter's magnetic field. Data from James Webb shows that Jupiter's magnetic field is not simply a protective halo around the planet, but a powerful dynamic system, constantly oscillating and creating fascinating transformations that we don't yet fully understand. This great blue spot may be a sign of instability in the way Jupiter's magnetic field operates, reflecting the vitality of a planet that is constantly changing and influencing the celestial bodies around it. Could this strong oscillation be evidence of the extreme and ever-changing conditions in the universe? And if this magnetic field can affect Jupiter, could it also influence other planets in the solar system, including Earth? The new images and data from James Webb not only bring us closer to Jupiter, but also open up larger questions about life and existence in this universe. Can we continue to seek answers to these vast mysteries, or will we forever stand before a universe too vast and complex, with questions that remain unanswered? Either way, each discovery about Jupiter, from the core of the planet to its magnetic field, is a step forward that not only helps us understand the universe more deeply, but also helps us better understand ourselves, small beings reaching toward new horizons in this endless space. Jupiter, the gas giant of our solar system, holds a significance far beyond its impressive size or its vibrant cosmic appearance. It is an unseen protector of Earth, a force that continually shields our planet from the dangers lurking in the vast expanse of space, while also acting as a potential force of change that could reshape the course of life on Earth. In a universe teeming with mystery and danger, Jupiter plays a dual role, both as a guardian and a lurking threat. When the James Webb Space Telescope sends back breathtaking images of Jupiter, we not only witness the grandeur of this planet, but also uncover its previously unknown traits. Jupiter, with a mass 318 times that of Earth, exerts an immense gravitational force, capable of altering the paths of comets, asteroids, and other celestial objects that drift through space. Jupiter is not just a planet, it's a colossal gravitational powerhouse that protects Earth from external impacts. Without Jupiter, our planet might have faced regular collisions from massive cosmic objects. However, in its protective role, Jupiter also harbors an intriguing paradox. While its gravity can direct comets and asteroids away from paths that could harm Earth, its powerful gravitational pull can also alter their trajectories, sending them on a reversed course that could lead directly to Earth. In some cases, Jupiter's influence may increase the likelihood of collisions, as space objects veer off course under the force of its gravity. This forces us to reflect on the nature of existence and the fragility of our own survival. Jupiter, a massive planet, is not only Earth's protector but also a moving part of the universe, with the ability to change and determine the fate of our planet. While it shields us from the dangers of deep space, it also has the potential to introduce new, unpredictable threats. And we say that the universe, with all its laws, does not always bring safety, but sometimes harbors unexpected challenges that we have yet to fully comprehend. The images from James Webb offer a new perspective on Jupiter, showing it not just as a massive planet, but as an unseen partner in Earth's survival journey. Jupiter's dual role as both a protector and a threat serves as a reminder of the unpredictability and instability of this universe. Can we overcome these hidden dangers, or will we always live under the influence of forces beyond our understanding? Life on Earth, perhaps, is a game with rules we have never fully mastered. As we gaze upon the images of Jupiter captured by the James Webb Space Telescope, we are not merely witnessing the awe-inspiring beauty of a distant planet. We are approaching profound questions about our own existence in the vast universe. Jupiter is not just a massive gas giant. It is a world brimming with surprises and mysteries waiting for us to explore. The Great Red Spot, one of Jupiter's most iconic features. Although shrinking in size with noticeable changes, still endures, not just with its immense size, but with an extraordinarily powerful energy. It serves as a reminder that eternal life, or existence in constant flux, is forever intertwined in a universe that never stops changing. Although the storm is shrinking, no one can deny the wonder and mystery it evokes. Regardless of its size, the Great Red Spot continues to unleash immeasurable energy, constantly swirling in the infinite vibrancy of Jupiter's atmosphere. This storm is not a static phenomenon. It is a story being written minute by minute, second by second. It is part of an ever-changing cosmic journey, reflecting the liveliness of Jupiter itself and perhaps even of us. What can we learn from its enduring strength and constant change? Looking at Jupiter and the wondrous phenomena it presents, we do not just see a faraway planet in the solar system, but a world full of enigmas. The diversity in its atmosphere, the liveliness of its moons, and the unpredictable effects of Jupiter's immense gravitational force all contribute to a world we have only just begun to understand. These discoveries are the first steps in a long journey to unravel the mysteries of the universe. What we know about Jupiter's atmosphere, its colossal storms, auroras and moons like Io, Ganymede, and Europa, are only small pieces of a larger picture that space science continues to unveil. Future research, supported by upcoming space missions, will continue to delve into data from the Webb telescope. The Juno spacecraft and yet-to-be-explored missions we need to better understand how Jupiter's gravity affects asteroids and comets, the wondrous changes in its atmosphere, and the potential of its moons to sustain life. Each subsequent mission will open new doors, once again challenging the limits of human understanding. Can we reach the deepest of these mysteries, or will we always stand on the sidelines observing ever-changing worlds and trying to decipher their meaning? Thank you for staying with WUFO Space until the very end of this journey through the vast universe. If you found this video interesting and insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WUFO Space so you won't miss our next cosmic adventures. Your support means the world to us and fuels our passion to keep exploring the wonders beyond.